In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate debug logs in Salesforce. Salesforce is a powerful platform used by businesses all over the world, and being able to generate debug logs is crucial for diagnosing issues, troubleshooting problems, and understanding exactly what's happening behind the scenes in your Salesforce environment. Let's jump right in. First, you need to log into Salesforce. Ensure you have the necessary credentials before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Setup area. To do this, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu and select Advanced Setup. This is where you access all the tools and settings you need for debugging and system management. In the Advanced Setup, look for the Quick Find search bar. This feature helps you quickly locate specific functions and settings without having to browse through menus. Type Debug Logs into this search bar. The Debug Logs option will appear in the search results. Clicking on this takes you to the page where you can manage your debug logs. On the Debug Logs page, you'll find an option to add a new monitored user, which is essential for capturing logs related to specific interactions or actions. Click on New to add a monitored user. This action opens a form where you can select the user whose activities you wish to monitor. This could be yourself, a colleague, or any user whose actions are relevant to the issue you are investigating. Once the form opens, select the user from the list. You can use the search functionality if the list is long. After selecting your user, be sure to save your changes. Saving ensures that your setup is ready to capture and generate logs for that user's activities. Next, you'll need to perform the action you want to debug. This might involve running a specific process, triggering an event, or any operation whose log details you wish to analyze. Engaging with the system in this way generates the necessary data that your debug logs will record. After executing the desired actions, navigate back to the Debug Logs page. Here, you'll find a list of logs that have been generated based on the interactions you've just performed. Capturing these logs is invaluable as they contain the intricate details of the processes that occurred. To delve into the specifics, open the logs for details. Each log will provide a granular view of the transactions, showing step-by-step what occurred during your test actions. Analyzing these logs can provide insights into errors, system behavior, and help you pinpoint exactly where issues may be arising. And that's it. You've successfully generated and accessed debug logs in Salesforce. These logs are a powerful tool in your Salesforce toolkit, helping ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.